We'll be cooking with Chef Evan. That's me. We'll be cooking wacky rice. We'll be using Nisi sausage, black beans, Uncle Ben's rice, Ria's cooking sauce, and our secret ingredient, grape jelly, unusual, a measuring cup, a strainer, a pot, and a cooking thingy on the stove. Good job. Now I'll teach you how to make Uncle Ben's wacky rice. You pour the beans in, and you wash them thoroughly. So you pour them in the pot. Then we add the water. And we'll pour Uncle Ben's rice. And we'll pour the sauce in here. What happened to all the jelly?
Christopher?
What? Mom, we need more jelly.
Dad, can you bring us some jelly, please?
This jelly?
That jelly. Thank you.
Dad! Now we add in the jelly. Just give it a quick stir.
Are we ready to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll put the sausage in.
While Mom's cooking the sausage and the rice for 20 minutes,
The sausage is done.
now we add it to the rice and give it a quick stir. Now enjoy.
Thank you.
Mmm.
That's very good, Abby. Good job.
Uncle Ben's wacky rice is delicious.